Hello and welcome you once again in this new session of English language. And today we are going to read about a and the. These words are articles. Now look at this picture. We can see some peoples are there. They are doing some activities. Their dresses. Now read these sentences. Shikha is wearing a red and blue dress. See. She is Shikha and she is wearing red and blue dress. Then grandpa is reading the newspaper. See, the newspaper. Ronak is eating an apple and father is holding a cat. Mother is painting the flower pot and two birds are sitting on the window sill. So, what do you notice in the sentences that all the naming words have an a, an, or the before them? The word a is used before the naming words, that is one and begins with the consonant sound, like a boy, a girl, a dog, a book, a woman. The word an is used before a naming word, that is one and begins with the vowels, and vowels are a, e, I, o, u. A, e, I, o, u. These are vowels. Example: an apple, an elephant, an ink pot, an orange, an uncle. Now see the word where we use the. The is used before a naming word that has been talked about before. Example: I have a new bicycle. Papa bought the bicycle for my birthday. We talked about the bicycle in the first sentence. So, in the next sentence, the bicycle is referred with the word the. Second, before a naming word that has been made known to the reader or listener. Example: the book on the table, the hat I wear. Here, before the naming word that has been made known to the reader or listener. Now see, before the name of rivers, sea and ocean. For example, the Yamuna River, the Ganga River, the Gomti River, the Red Sea, the Indian Ocean. D. The is used before the name of famous building and monuments like the Red Fort, the White House, the Eiffel Tower, the Imambara. E. The is used before the name of things that are unique. For example, the sun, the moon, the earth, and the universe. And also, the is used before the name of religious text or religious books like the Bible, the Ramayana, the Gita. Write a or and before the words correctly. An octopus. Vowel is there. So, an octopus. A starfish. An island. A computer. An old cup. A piano. A fort. An alligator. A spider. A clown. Now see here, fill in the blanks with a and the. Our neighbors have a cat and a dog. A cat and a dog. Mother baked the delicious cake yesterday. The cake had nuts and cherries on top. I bought an umbrella to get out in the rain. An ink pot is in my pen is pink. Nita was beaten by an ant. An ant had crawled on the ant had crawled on her hand. We wanted to go to Agra to see the Taj Mahal. Now, tick the correct sentence and put the cross against the incorrect sentence. Rewrite the incorrect sentence by using a and or the. Kriti drew a blue kite sailing in the sky. Okay, it's a correct because Kriti draw a blue kite sailing in the sky. It's a true. We went to play in and no, it's a in the park. We went to play in the park. A shop is shop. A shop on the corner is open. I want a ticket to Dehradun. How much does an ticket cost? It's the ticket cost. A ship crossed a Pacific Ocean. A ship crossed the Pacific Ocean in 5 days. Now in this sentence, here is some words are given and you have to find the words with a and the. So some of the sentence words I will help you definitely to search. For example, you can read here, it's like an elephant, a bird, the moon, the hair, the sun, a cat. So, like this, you can choose some more words with a and the. So now the word a is used before a naming word and is one and begins with the consonant sound. And the word an is used with the naming words with vowel sound. Vowel sounds are a, e, I, o, u. And the word the is used before the naming word that has already been talked about or before a naming word that has been made known to reader or listener, before the name of the seas, rivers and oceans, before the name of the famous building and also before the name of things that are unique like sun, moon, earth, and also before the names of the religious texts like Gita, Ramayana, or Bible. The word a and the are called articles. So that's all for today's session. Read this chapter, follow this video. We will meet in our next session with new topics. Till then, have a nice day and take care of your health.